Well, it is wet. Wet all over. Surprised my phone made it. However, look, look at the ground all the way around. It was rained all night. Then in the morning it thundered it thundered all night too. And lightning lit up the sky. The fireworks were amazing. There is no dry kindling this morning. I had to dry it out myself. I got it started with my emergency starting kit, and I dried out the fire as I lit it. There was ice on my tent tarp. It was a nightmare last night, and I am proud to say I lived through it. I'm going to have to get some more kindling to keep this fire going, it looks like. And I have the means to do that. So I'm happy. Signing off.